Hello kids, welcome to Learning Kids channel. Let's draw a cute and funny Peppa Pig family drawing. Along with that, let's see what is the drawing is about. Shall we start? Yeah, let's get started. One sunny day, Peppa Pig and her little brother George Pig were feeling very playful. George Pig is playing with his toy train. Cho-Cho! Cho-Cho! Said George Pig happily. Peppa had a funny idea. Peppa told to George,
Hey George, let's give Mommy Pig a tiny surprise.
George Pig giggled.
Is it a dinosaur scare?
He asked.
No,
Peppa laughed and told.
it's a train scare.
Meanwhile, Daddy Pig was standing nearby. He picked up Peppa and asked her,
Are you being misbehavious, Peppa?
with a smile. Peppa giggled.
Maybe, Daddy.
George slowly rolled the toy train behind the sofa. There, Mommy Pig was reading a book. Suddenly,
Cho-Cho!
he made a big sound. Mommy Pig jumped,
Oh my goodness!
she said. She got so surprised that she plopped down softly onto the sofa. Then everyone burst out laughing. Peppa laughed and told,
Sorry, Mommy Pig. It's just a silly train.
George laughed and told,
It's a train bunny.
Daddy Pig laughed the loudest.
Oh, that was a very gentle scare.
Mommy Pig smiled and laughed too and told,
Oh, Peppa, you are so silly.
she said. They all sat together on the sofa, cuddling and laughing. Best scare ever, said Peppa. Cho-Cho! Cho-Cho! Said George Pig happily. And the Peppa Pig family enjoyed a very happy day together. Hey kids, how was the story? Do you like it? Come on kids, come and draw this beautiful Peppa Pig funny drawing and start coloring. kids, you finished your drawing, right? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.